Hello and welcome to this tutorial showing you how to migrate GeMMA to multi-user in GeMMA 3.6.0. Multi-user allows all installations of GeMMA to share one central location where the resources are stored, such as the database and data folders. This allows all GeMMA applications pointing to this shared location to use one workspace. To modify GeMMA to work in multi-user mode, we created a standalone application called GeMMA Central. This can be located in the application folder of GeMMA. Before we can migrate GeMMA to multi-user mode, we need to decide which installation will become the master installation. The master installation will have its database and data folders copied to the central location, and this will then become the shared workspace for all other installations pointed to the same shared location. I have elected this installation of GeMMA to become my master when I migrate to multi-user. On the Prepare tab, I have a couple of mailing cells, and on the Submitted tab, I have some history, which I don't want to lose when I migrate. So let's close this installation of GeMMA and navigate to the application folder and launch GeMMA Central. GeMMA Central displays the current GeMMA resource location with two options: move GeMMA to a shared location or set GeMMA to a shared location. In our case, we want this installation to be the master, so we're going to browse using the Move GeMMA option. We'll browse to a place on our network. In my case, that will be the S drive. I'll create a new folder in the root of the S called GeMMA Central. Select that folder and click OK. I'll then select the Move button, agree. Successfully move GeMMA resources to the shared location. OK. You can now see that GeMMA Central is now displaying the current resource location as the S drive GeMMA Central data folder. We are now finished with GeMMA Central, and we can launch GeMMA. You can now see at the bottom that GeMMA is now seeing that we're in multi-user mode. We click on Help and About. It will show the GeMMA resource folder is on the S drive. If we go to the Prepare tab, we can see my history on the Prepare tab and my submitted history. That's it, this installation has now become a multi-user installation. The next step would be to set any other installations to point to the same shared resource. Here I have another installation of GeMMA. As you can see, this is single user mode. Help and About shows that the resources are stored locally. So let's close GeMMA down. Open the application folder and launch GeMMA Central. This time, instead of moving to a shared location, I'm going to be setting a shared location. So we click on Browse, we'll navigate back to the S drive. Select the GeMMA Central folder, click OK, click Set, Agree, and we've been successful. Click on OK, close GeMMA Central. If we now launch GeMMA, you should see that we're in multi-user mode. We go to Help and About. Our resources folder is now pointed to the S drive. Go to the Prepare tab, you can see our manifests are there still, and the Submitted tab also has our history. And that's it, we're now in multi-user mode on one installation and a second installation.